If your presentations still look basic, plain slides, too much text, yeah, that's not going to stand out. In this video, I'll show you how to use Gamma AI to create advanced professional presentations step by step. First, quick idea. Gamma doesn't just make slides, it builds interactive, clean, and visually strong presentations automatically. Start with a strong prompt. Don't just say, make slides. Describe your topic, audience, and goal. Prompt, create a professional presentation about digital marketing strategies for beginners with clear sections and visuals. Gamma will instantly generate a full presentation, including structure, headings, and content. Now customize it. Adjust layouts, sections, and design to match your style. You can refine content easily. Ask Gamma to expand, shorten, or improve sections. Add visuals like images, icons, or embedded content. This makes your presentation more engaging. Don't overload slides. Keep them simple, clear, and focused. Structure your presentation like a story. Intro, problem, solution, and conclusion. You can present directly or share with a link. No downloads needed. Before finishing, refine everything. Adjust flow, visuals, and clarity. So yeah, once you use Gamma like this, your presentations go from basic to professional in minutes. And if this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, more AI tools guides coming soon. All right, so